what up, man? Got a stream deck. Something simple. Ain't gonna really take too long. Like, bam, bam. There you go. You can see, you can read that shit if you want to. About to go ahead and open this bit up right quick, man. Yeah, hold up. Alright, bam. I had to open this bit up. That's this little stream deck, man. Oh, shit. Alright, man. That's how you do this bit. You flip this bit like this. Have it like that. Alright, bet. That's how you do it now. Hold up, let me see. Alright, bam. Oh, let me make sure my shit. Yeah, so this the box. It's the back of it. Whatnot. You feel me? This the little display thing. This where you hold it up. It's flat like this. You feel me? You see the logo? You probably can't see it. But yeah, you just have it like this. How they say do it? Yeah, you had this part down. And have it like this or something like that. Yeah, you have it like that. And like you just put it on one of these right here. Bam, 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 or bam. So there you can have it like on the last one. And then you have it set up like this. And damn, just like that. The stream deck, man. Straight. What I might do is I might just set this up. You know what I'm saying? They got a little manual to come with it. I'm not really like a dumb person, so I be knowing what to do while reading the manual. It's pretty easy. But if you want to see the manual, here go the manual, man. It's smaller manual. Short guide. Download and install Stream Deck. Connect Stream Deck directly to USB port on your PC or Mac. It say launch the app to customize Stream Deck. Drag actions from the right panel and drop them onto your desired keys on the left. Then say configure your actions and personalize keys with custom icons. Use 72x72 pixels JPEG or whatever. Then it say drag and drop, create folder onto a key, then drag and drop actions to that folder. As you can see. Then moving on. Tap the back key to exit folder and return to main configuration. So it been pretty straight, you feel me? I like this mod, man. This the one that it was the cheapest one they got. It's 15 of them. You feel me? They got 32 and all like that. But I probably gonna need a 32, you feel me? Right click keys to copy, delete, or move item. Prop Stream Deck, that's what I just did, as you see. And then last but not least, enter your social media accounts, connect with your fans. Bam, that's it. And that's about it, man. Go ahead and connect this bit right quick. Hold up. So bam. When connected, it lit up. So like that. So now I gotta install it. So hold on. Alright, so bam. Once you plug it up with the woo, or you could just download it. So you go to Elgato, find your stuff right here. Hold up. Go to Elgato, let's say downloads. Go downloads. Select your product. And then down here you see all the stuff right there. Stream Deck. And bam bam, download. Thanks for downloading. Then it's downloading, so like that. You open that bit up. And then yeah, you just do all this stuff right quick. Hold up. Alright, bam. So what you gotta do is you gotta select one of these boxes, you feel me? Then like you just straight up like get this, drag it to that, file, whatever, title. You can title if you want to, stuff like that. So bam, I'm gonna just go find like one of these random videos I got on my stuff. And find something. What's something. hit that boost. Extra play stop volume. Bam, set it like that. So when I press it, dude, will it pop up? hold on, it's playing. Hold on. So you gonna hear boost say, "Why the fuck?" Hold up. Listen. You probably gonna hear it. I'm pressing the button now. So look, it's on there now. Why the fuck would you do something like this? Yeah, man, that's how that worked. Yeah, I'm watching that boy Duke Dins, you know what I'm saying? I'm watching multiple streams. I got Murder Show right here. You feel me? I'm just like, yeah. This how I really be when I be doing my own thing. I just watching multiple streams all at once. But yeah, you just set the icon like that. Stop play audio, scene, record, screenshot, flashback, recording, stream, like, you know what I'm saying? All that like that, man. Studio mode, media source, Twitch audio, Twitch studio, OBS. You know what I'm saying? It's all type of stuff you can do in this mode, man. It's pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically a stream deck, multiple action. Random timer sleep. I wanna select something else. Hold up. And yo, check it, man. So basically, when you get an audio, so like that, I'm gonna figure out how you do the video. But when you get an audio, you can set it up. Like I got the Rose laugh right here. If you want the picture on there, you just go right here. Set from file. You can find a picture. Bam. Then when you look on the stream deck, you got Rose, stuff like that. Whew, shit, let's. You know what I'm saying? Oh, let me turn the flash off. There you go. Alright, bam. So I added some stuff, you feel me? I got a couple more, but you can also go to a different page on here, like you right here, number 2. Add more stuff. So they got plugins too. So I want to add some stuff. Added Streamlabs, YouTube stats, Scrap account, put that like right there. And then you got like the shadow play stuff. You know what I'm saying? Push to talk screenshot. There's a couple more things you can do. As you can see, it's on here. If I was to press this, go back to the first page for all my stuff, you feel me? I could press this too to go to page 2. You feel me? So that's all that like that. You feel? But yeah, man, it's right now for the stream deck. It's pretty nice, you feel me? Like, man, really, you don't even have to get like the 32 one. You could just get this with the 15 for like what it was, 117. It's like 128. You know what I'm saying? If you get on Amazon, stuff like that, and then you could just get the other ones. You feel me? You got a whole nother page, another page. So you can really just get all these for the, you know what I'm saying, cheaper price instead of paying one. What is like 147 for the other one, or however much it costs. But yeah, man, that's a stream deck. You know what I'm saying? Let me know how you feel about this mug, man. Stream deck with the 15 keys. You feel me? Yeah, I'm out this mug. Peace. Hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, make sure you drop a like for your boy. Hit the sub on the notification bell. All the good stuff. I'm out this mug. Peace.